Hello everyone! Welcome to Argenta Branch Mystery Craft Box. I'm Beverly and today we'll be making, I wonder what. Let's look inside and find out. Well, I see some instructions. Always those are really good and handy. Oh, there's 2 markers. Clothespin. I wonder what we're making. And 2 popsicle sticks. And then another piece. Don't know what it is yet, but we'll find out. All right, it's empty. Let's see what we're going to make. We're going to start with our clothespin, and on the clothespin has some glue dots. Okay, so we probably need these 2 pieces, which is our popsicle sticks. Now, I figured out why we've got the markers. It's so we can decorate. And look, I decorated mine with Argenta Branch Library. So now, I'm going to put that on the top, which has the one that only has a glue stick on the top, or glue dot on the top. I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to glue it on right there. That looks about halfway. And I'm going to turn it over. And now, since I did that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to decorate again the top piece. And I'm going to put Argenta again. You could put whatever you want on there. If you want to put clouds, you could put anything that you like on there. Then I'm going to take this glue dot off. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to line it up with the other one. And then I'm going to press real hard like that so it stays. You see how we're going around with that? All right. And I'm saying this is the tail fin. It's the back of our plane. I'm going to take that one off. And I decorated mine with books. Wonder why? Maybe because it's a library and I like books. And look, we made an airplane. Ooh, whip over the clouds and through all the way to our city. I remember when I was a kid, my favorite place to be on an airplane was at the window, where I could look out and look at how small the people are and the clouds. It was a lot of fun. All right, I hope you enjoyed and liked making this. Well, let me tell you about the books that I have picked out. This one is called Hello Airplane. Talks about what I said earlier about that I liked looking at the clouds, and this tells you all the mountains and the clouds, everything that you fly over when you're in the air. This one here is one of my favorite, and it's called Amelia Who Could Fly. And Amelia is about a real person, Amelia Earhart. And since she was a little girl, she's always wanted to fly. It's a wonderful book. Thank you for joining us today. If you would like to reserve your mystery craft, you can call Lehman Library Argenta Branch at 501-687-1061, only while supplies last. If you liked this video, please leave us a comment or share with your family and friends. Also, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and our website at lehmanlibrary.org. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more of our great content. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.